June is the month of roses, as Laura Ingalls Wilder poetically once put it. June is the month of roses, as Laura Ingalls Wilder once put it. So that is the flower I'm choosing for this month. But there are many other suitable bullet journal themes for June, some of which I've put together on this list, which you can also download for free on my website. Just click the link in my description. I'll start my cover page off by lettering the word June using a thick marker, and then reinforcing my downstrokes to create this faux calligraphy effect. And now it's time for the best part, to create the floral arrangement for my cover page. I'm going to start off with a fine liner, and I'm going to put down a little group of squiggles like so, before grouping some imperfect wiggly lines around that to create my rose petals. Let's also add some leaves, which are just pointed ovals with slightly squiggly edges. Add some veins. And then I'm going to use different shades of reds, pinks and greens to color them in. I'll first color in all the flowers in lighter colors, using my mild liners, before going over everything using more vibrant brush pens. As always, the supplies I'm using can be found linked in my description below. I'm being intentionally messy here to give some depth to the illustration. June is traditionally also the month of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, which reminds us of God's infinite love and mercy for all mankind. And I also think that the rose theme ties in beautifully with that for several reasons. Including this little reminder in my bullet journal is a beautiful way to remind myself of the particular devotion each month is dedicated to. I also added some related quotes. Feel free to pause the video here to read them at leisure. On the other page opposite, I set up a space for goals and important dates. And then moving on to the next page, let's create a space for tracking habits and, of course, a month at a glance overview. Let's finish with a weekly spread for June, which again I'm decorating with a rose arrangement like so. And now let's flip through the finished results. This is how the finished bullet journal setup for June turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. and also let me know what you would do differently. That being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.